Hi, my name is Karen Jones, content creator for the Society of Technical Analysts. Today we're going to look at a few markets that are interesting me at the moment. The first of which is the Euro Dollar weekly chart. Now, we looked at this recently and we noted that it was looking highly likely to fail at the top of a 3-year channel. This is now starting to be seen. Not only has it failed at the top of this 3-year channel, but it's also got divergence on its weekly RSI, and it has also failed ahead of its 200-month moving average. So the question we need to ask ourselves is, where is this now likely to head to? So as you can see from this chart, I've added some Fibonacci retracements on it. From the move we've seen so far in 2025. And the 38.2% retracement comes in at 112.53, 56 area, and the 2023 high comes in at 112.75. Both suggest that that is going to be a really good area of support, and I suspect that is actually where the market is going to head back to, given that we think that this is a significant turn in euro dollar. The next chart we're going to take a look at is the S&P. This has been in a relentless up move for quite some time, but you will see that what we've got here is a monthly chart, and I think the most dominant feature on this chart is this monthly up channel going back to 2009. Now, clearly, we do have a level at 7,000, and I think that will offer some kind of psychological resistance. But the top of this channel, which goes back for so long, is closer to 7,250. Now, given how close we are to both levels, I'd strongly recommend that you start to tighten up stops here, because that is getting very close to these very important upside resistance levels. And I think that chart with the long-term up channel is the one you need to really monitor now. The last chart that we wanted to take a look at was the gold chart. You'll remember that we've held for quite some time a target of 3,860 to 3,900. Now, that was a combination of an upside measurement, and it was also a double Fibonacci extension. There was quite a few resistance points in there to suggest that was the target zone, and we have in fact overshot it. We are now approaching 4,000. Now, if we look at the same chart, and instead of putting on normal channels, we've actually used something called Fibonacci channel resistance, we can see that the next Fibonacci channel resistance is closer to 4,000. And 4,000, I think, will act as a psychological resistance anyway. Given that every single chart that we look at, daily, monthly, weekly, they're all indicating very high RSIs and that they're overbought, it does suggest to me that gold is going to struggle to maintain a foothold above 4,000. And again, we have hit our long-term target, and this is an important point. We would tighten stops at the very least and look for signs of reversal happening around this 4,000 level. So do take care on this, and do pay attention to this level on this chart. If you are interested in learning more about how to look at technical analysis and how to use charts to help with your trading, I can strongly recommend that you take a look at the Society of Technical Analysts course, which is about to start in October. The place to find more information is www.technicalanalysts.com/education. Thanks very much.